International investment projects require good planning and preparation. In order to invest in foreign markets, you must know all the requirements and guidelines of the economic area in question. This is an area that is easily overlooked.
What happens if I do not get the permit? How do we follow it other than the regulations?
The implementation of international investment projects is a huge challenge for chief engineers in terms of language barriers, laws, and cultural differences. Wouldn't it be great to have a partner by your side who is familiar with the local legislation and regulations? A partner you can trust? As part of the TÜV SÜD Group, the Industry Service Division has many years of experience in implementing international investment projects. As an independent project supporter, we ensure that your project is completed trouble-free and on schedule. Thanks to our international network of more than 4,800 engineers and experts in over 1,000 locations, we are very familiar with the guidelines and unique requirements of various markets. With on-site presence globally, we can react quickly and efficiently when it matters most. We have the local safety regulations in mind and can obtain the necessary permits. We check the specifications for components, monitor timely delivery, provide for consistent quality choices, and ensure that deadlines are met. TÜV SÜD, your partner for a successful project implementation. TÜV SÜD, add value, inspire trust.